Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can create a guest user on Windows 11 or 10. First, go to your search bar on your desktop and search for Settings. Click on this one. On the left menu, click on Accounts tab. Then scroll down a little bit and navigate to Other Users. On the top, click on Add Account. Then click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then over here, click on Add a user without an MS account. On the account name, input the name of the guest account. You can include a password on this account, but if you don't want to, just click Next over here. And there you have it. You can now use Windows using a guest user account. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.